We're going on the Freedom Train. Ship, whatever.
How long? It literally be about 3 hours to buffer on my computer. Why I don't use it.
We have loads and loads and loads of luggage. No. Huh? Yeah. There we go, another gator.
There's a lot more. What's our state?
I have never seen a bald eagle.
No, what's our state?
I think it's a cardinal.
How many times do you see cardinals in pictures?
Like none.
Exactly. All of them show the same.
Well, it's right there, so yeah. We keep seeing gators anywhere, and we're arguing whether it's the state animal or not. Not responsible for loss or damage to vehicle or accessories or articles left in the vehicle caused by fire, thought, collision, water, or any other cause. We're gonna sit on the chair. He's playing Pokemon with an ugly Pokemon.
Larvesto.
Its name is Larvesto, which is really stupid too. And it has thorns coming out of its head. It's fighting a level 2, which is really pathetic.
It's only level
Dun,
4.
dun. Dun, 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 dun.
It's only level 4.